Hi, friends. The Green Grill welcomes you today to this beautiful succulent, the Adenium obesum. That's right, the desert rose. This plant requires less nutrients but a well drained soil. You can propagate this plant through seedlings as well as through stem cuttings. Let's see how we can propagate this plant through seeds. Come to my grill. Now, these are the seed pods of the adenium plant. I have three seed pods, one I have already removed. Okay, now over here in these seed pods have to be dried properly. And what happens is because of the wind, all the seeds they have got tufts in it. I will show it to you when the seed pods open. So what I have done is I have tied it with a thread so that those seeds they don't fly away. Now for an adenium to get such seed pods it has to be aged. That means you don't get such seed pods for an adenium plant which is fairly young. So the adenium plant has to be at least 2 to 3 years old for you to grow seed pods on them. I'll show the seeds to you maybe tomorrow once the seed pods open. Now these are the seed pods which yesterday I spoke about. They have completely dried and you can see the tufts over here which carry the seed. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it from the tree like this. Okay. Now since I have tied it, seeds are not going to fly away. You can see over here these seed pods. I have removed the string which I had tied, and you can see over here that these are the seeds like this. Okay, so basically these are the seeds. Likewise, I am going to get many seeds like this. Over you can see that this seed pod is filled with all so many seeds. These are basically wind pollinated seeds. You can see the tufts around them. Over here there are these two more seed pods which may be tomorrow or today I will do the similar thing with this. Now these are the seeds which we collected yesterday. I soaked them for 24 hours in water and they have swollen up. Okay, now these are right for sowing. Similarly, I had these containers, those cupcake containers in which I have made these holes in them for water drainage, and I'm going to sow these seeds in these containers right now. Now the soil which I am going to use is this soil which I have purchased from Amazon. Now if you are a first time hobby gardener like me, I would advise you to take a ready-made adenium mix, soil mix, so that it is not much of a problem. Now this video is not sponsored by them, but I just thought that they gave me a good deal. So I have just bought this soil. I'm going to fill up all these cupcakes containers with this soil. I have taken the first tray, I have filled it with the soil, and I'm simply going to moisten the soil like this. So I have moistened the soil. I'm going to simply put these seeds horizontally, not vertically, horizontally like this. Now I'm going to cover the top of the seed with hardly 1 mm to 2 mm of soil, not much. I'm going to do it for all the seeds. So this is how I have covered it with soil now. Now to these seeds I am going to add half teaspoon of this fungicide called as SAF to 1 liter of water, and I'm going to spray it on these seeds in order to prevent any fungal attack or a root rot. I've taken about 1/4 teaspoon in 1 liter of water, okay, and I'm going to mix this up thoroughly. Alright, and then I'm going to spray it on the seedlings. Channel at the Green Grill and follow me on Instagram. Stay tuned.